Lighting in today's schools needs to be smarter, more efficient, more adaptable, and easier to manage. That's why we offer a full line of LED solutions and control options to help you meet energy codes and streamline projects. By partnering with leading control brands, we offer fixtures with built-in sensors to help reduce labor costs and make installations easier. No matter the project, new build, or retrofit, we've got lighting that works for every space. Here are some of our top picks for school lighting upgrades. From classrooms to sports fields, our lighting solutions help create smarter schools that save energy, reduce costs, and are built for the future. Are you ready to upgrade your school's lighting? Contact us today to find the perfect solution for your project.